Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss polynomials exercise problems. Okay, na? So polynomials topic, exercise problems. In our previous class, we have already discussed what is polynomial and the types of polynomials based on the terms and based on the degree. Am I right? So based on the degree, linear polynomial, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, like that, constant polynomial also. What is the degree of a constant polynomial? 0. Am I right? And what is zero polynomial? All the coefficients of a polynomial becomes 0. Such type of polynomials are called zero polynomial and their degree cannot be determined. Okay? And zero of the polynomial means for certain value the given polynomial becomes 0. Such type of value, such values are called zeros of the polynomial. And we have already discussed that according to the degree, the number of zeros are applicable to the given polynomials. For example, polynomial whose degree is 5, then the number of zeros or number of roots are 5. Okay? Right. And we have already completed up to 5 questions in exercise 1. So let us start from 6th question. The 6th question is given that the addition of 5x square minus 1 by 3x, 5x square minus 1 by 3 into x plus 5 by 2. It is a quadratic polynomial. Yes or not? Yeah, I told you when the polynomials are not becomes, that means when the algebraic expressions are not going to become a polynomial. So we are just checking the degree of each variable. X square is positive integer, so x power 1 is a positive integer. So this can be a polynomial. Now, and the another one is, and the second polynomial. Second polynomial I am going to write down. So x square minus 2 by 3 x plus 1 by 2. X square minus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 2. So while addition of any two algebraic expressions or polynomials, we are having two methods. First one is horizontal method and second one is vertical method. Horizontal method means both the equations or both the polynomials we are going to write it in a horizontal manner. But vertical wise, one after another one we are going to write it. Now this is the vertical method. Now from this vertical method we should write like terms. One down, another one, we should write it as a like terms. That means x square below x square term only we should write. X term below x term, constant term below constant term we should write. Okay, na? Now while you are adding this one, try to add the coefficients of x square terms. Here 5x square, here x square. That means its coefficient is 1. So here 5, here 1. 5 plus 1, 6x square. We are not adding the x squares. X squares in the sense adding of algebraic terms or adding of the variables in the sense is nothing but we are adding their numerical factors. We are adding their numerical factors. Okay, na? So 5x square plus x square, that means there are 5x square terms. Here 1x square, total 6x square terms are there. Okay, next coming to the x terms. Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, both are negatives. Now I am doing the rough work here, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Both are like terms because of having the same denominator, so try to add the numerators. Minus 1, minus 2 is nothing but minus 3, 3 table 3, 1 time cancel, so with minus symbol, so minus 1x. Minus 1x means minus x only. Now coming to the constant terms. Now again I am using the rough work here, constants, here 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, again both are having the same denominator 2. Directly we can add the numerators 5 plus 1, 6. So 2 table 6, 3 times. So therefore the constant term is plus 3. Okay, na? This type of method is called vertical method. Okay, na? So while arranging the algebraic expressions or polynomials, we need to check the like terms together. Means one down, another like term should be right. Okay, let us move on to the question number 7. Now subtraction. Subtraction. Yeah, question number 7. That is given that x cube minus xy square, subtract x cube minus xy square, x cube term, xy square term, and 5x square y minus y cube. 5x square y minus y cube. This algebraic expression or this polynomial we should subtract from minus y cube. Second one is minus y cube. That means we have to subtract the first algebraic expression from the second expression. That means second expression we need to write first. Now in the first term is minus y cube. So I am writing above minus y cube above minus y cube, and minus 6x square y, x square y here. So above minus 6x square y. Third term is minus xy square. So xy square here also minus xy square. And the last one plus x cube. Last one is plus x cube. So try to subtract. But here see, while compare it with 6th problem and 7th problem, 6th problem, 7th problem, 6th problem is under addition. I mean, we are adding the given algebraic expressions. Now 7th one subtraction. Subtraction, whenever we do the subtraction, we need to change the symbols for the second algebraic expression. That means here second one is positive terms becomes negative terms, negatives becomes positive because we need to subtract it. 2 minus 2 0 like that. Okay, now so I am changing the symbols here. Plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus xy square becomes plus xy square, plus 5x square becomes minus 5x square, and last one is plus. Now x square minus x square. So that means here coefficient 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, so we can neglect this. Okay, now so there is no term, both are cancelled. 2 minus 2, 0 like that. Here also 0 term. Now this one also minus xy square plus xy square, same terms with say opposite symbols can be cancelled. Now minus 6 minus 5, both are negatives. Add with the negative symbol. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 x square y and minus y cube plus y cube. Same variables with opposite symbols can be cancelled. The answer is minus x square y. Therefore the answer is minus x square y. Okay, na? So let us move on to the 8th question. So additive identity for any polynomial. Here you should remember that whether it is a polynomials topic or any number system like natural numbers, integers, or rational numbers or real numbers. So any such type of number systems, always the additive inverse is 0, multiplicative inverse is 1. Okay, na? Additive identity, multiplicative identity are not changes. Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse are changes according to the terms. Okay, na? So additive identity, multiplicative identity are fixed. Additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1. So according to the question, our answer is additive identity is 0. Additive identity is 0. Okay, let us move on to the question number 9. Okay, the 9th question is given that if a is equals to minus 126 m power 6 n square x, a is equals to minus 126 m power 6 n square x, am I right? Yeah, m power 6 n square x, and b is equals to 6 m square n x. B is equals to 6 m square n x. Yeah. Then we need to find a divided by b. Division we need to do. A divided by b. So let us try to write the both of them. Minus 126 into m power 6 I can write it as m into m like that 6 times I can write it. But now I am not writing. Now n square means n into n x divided by 6 m square. M square means m into m n into x. Now while you are observing here, numerator x, denominator x cancel. Numerator x, denominator x cancel. Now n square is nothing but n into n. So denominator n, numerator square cancel. Now m power 6 m times will be, if we cancel 2 times, still 4 times will be remaining, m power 4. Now 6 table 126 exactly 21 times. So therefore the answer is minus 21 m power 4 n. Minus 21 m power 4 into n. That is our required answer. So according to you, the option is 2, second option. Let us move on to the problem number 10. Okay, now the 10th problem is given that the value of 2a cube into 3a plus 5b, the value of 2a cube into 3a plus 5b at a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2. So we need to find this value where a value should be substituted by 1, b should be substituted by 2. Okay, now? So whenever you see a and b, a value must be filled with 1, b value must be filled with 2. Let us try to find it. So 2 into a cube, in the place of a, we should write 1. 2 into 1 cube plus 3a. 3a means 3 into 1 plus 5b. 5 into b value is 2. Okay. Now 1 cube value is 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1. 1 cube value 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Now here 3 ones are 3 plus 5 twos are 10. So 3 plus 10, 13. 2 into 13, 2 13s are 26. Okay? So just I substituted the values and identify the answer. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 11. Yeah. So 11th one is given that which of the following are polynomials. So I told you already where the conditions are. The exponent of a variable must be non-negative integer. That means any whole number it should be. Otherwise, it cannot be a polynomial. The second point is the variable should not be in the denominator. Variable should not be in the denominator. Second point. Third point is variable exponent should not be in fractional form. These three situations you should check. Now coming to the first option. X plus 1 by x. 1 by x. X is in the denominator. First option cannot be a polynomial. Let us go to the second option. X square plus 2x plus 1. The second option is x square plus 2x plus 1. The variable term here, exponent is 2, so whole number. Here x power 1, that is also whole number, so it can be a polynomial. Okay. Let us move on to the problem number 12. Right. The 12th one is given that zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of the polynomial of p of x 3x square minus 1. The polynomial is given that 3x square minus 1. Yeah, just look into it. Zeros of the polynomial or roots of the polynomial or solution of the polynomial all are same. Simply 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial means for certain value, the given polynomial becomes 0, that value is 0 of the polynomial. So whenever the polynomials are given like this, to find the zeros, we should write this one given polynomial equals to 0. We should write the given polynomial equals to 0. That implies 3x square minus 1 transpose that side becomes plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Now x square is equals to 1 by 3 because 3 multiply when you transpose that side, it is going to be divided. Now x is equal to square when you transpose it will be square root of 1 by 3. So whenever it is becoming square root, the symbols will come plus or minus root over 1 by 3. So according to you, let us try to separate the root for the numerator and denominator. So numerator is 1. Square root of 1 is nothing but 1. Square root of 3 means 3 because 1 is a square number, square root cancel. 3 is not a square number, square root not cancel. Therefore the answer is plus or minus 1 by root over 3. So according to your answer, both 1 and 2 are the required answers. Okay, now third one. Okay, now let us move on to the problem number 13. Right, so 13th question. 13th question is given that. So the product is nothing but multiplication. So we discussed, I think we are not discussed about the product of any two monomial into monomial, binomial into binomial, we did not discuss. So let us go through the problems. You will understand, I think so, right? Now product of a square minus 2b square. Two polynomials are given. A square minus 2b square is a polynomial. So according to the based on terms, it is binomial. That means a polynomial containing two terms. Next one, 3a square plus b square. 3a square plus b square. Now simply you are going to learn about the binomial into binomial multiplication. So first polynomial means it is two terms binomial, second one also two terms binomial. Now just observe carefully how I am doing the multiplication. Okay. Now what is the first term here? A square. With a square multiply the second binomial, 3a square plus b square. Okay. Now what is the second term? Minus 2b square. So minus 2b square into 3a square plus b square. Okay. Right. Now you know how to multiplication. Monomial into binomial. It is looking like distributive property. A into b plus is nothing but a into b plus a into c. A into b plus is nothing but a into b plus a into c. In the same way, a square into 3a square. So let us multiply the numericals first. That means here a square having coefficient 1, nothing here we cannot see any coefficient, means 1 has to be taken as a coefficient. Now 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 3, a square into a square. Let us see, a square into a square. A square means what? A into a. This into symbol as this, a square also a into a becoming 4 times, a power 4. So simply whenever you multiply, add the exponents, a power 4. Next, a into b square, both are different variables, a into b square, we can write together a square b square, that's it. A square into b square, we are going to write it as a square b square. Now here, minus into plus minus, 2 3s are 6, b square into a square b square. I have written in an order, first alphabetical order. Now minus into plus minus, 2 into 1, 2, b square into b square, b power 4. Just identify the like terms. So the middle two terms are like terms, a square b square, a square b square. Remaining two are unlike terms. Write the remaining two terms as it is. Now see, both are unlike terms with different symbols. Different symbols means subtraction we should do. So one is positive, one is negative, subtract 6a square b square, here 1a square b square. 6 minus 1, 5. 5a square b square, and 6 having a symbol minus, so minus. Always bigger number symbol will come. So this is the multiplication of binomial into binomial. We just completed in three steps. Let us move on to the question number 14. Yeah, 14th question is given. By how much 3x cube minus 5x square, 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 exceed, by how much it is exceed 2x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. 2x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. So when you read the question carefully, the first equation or first polynomial is exceeds by second one. By how much? By how much? With second one. That means here first expression is more than the second expression. That how much? So for getting this one, first one minus second one we should do. I think they are already in the order. So for getting how much more, we need to subtract. That means, for example, I am having 8 coins. My friend is having 5 coins. I am having how many coins more than my friend? 3 coins. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, 3 coins I have more. Same way, first expression is how much more than the second expression. Now change the symbols for the second expression. Plus 2x cube becomes minus. Minus 3x square becomes plus. This one minus and last one also minus. Yeah, 3x cube minus 2x cube. 3 minus 2, 1. 1x cube. Minus 5 plus 3, opposite symbol subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2x square. Bigger one symbol minus. Minus 2x square. Now plus and minus opposite symbols. 2x minus x is x. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, na? So minus 3 minus 1 both are negative symbols. Add with negative. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is our required answer. X cube minus 2x square minus plus x minus 4. Yeah, option 4. Option 4 is our required answer. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Okay. So now question number 15. Yeah, 15th question is given that. So minus 4 by 27 xyz into minus 4 by 27 xyz minus 4 by 27 xyz into, here bracket represents multiplication, 9 by 2 x square yz, 9 by 2 x square yz minus 3 by 4 xy z square, minus 3 by 4 xy z square. Right. X square yz to xy z square are unlike terms because of having, if they are having the same variable but the exponents are different, so we can consider as a unlike terms. Okay. Now, yeah. So before the bracket single term, so monomial. Inside the bracket two terms binomial. So monomial into binomial. So as we discussed in the previous problem, so like a into b minus c is nothing but a into b minus a into c. Same multiplication we need to write. So first I am writing the product of numericals. What is numerical? Minus 4 by 27 into, its numerical is 9 by 2. So I am multiplying the numericals. Then variables now. X, here x, here x. Same like terms we can multiply. X into x square, x cube. Y into y, y square. Z into z, z square. Minus. Now again, minus 4 by 27. We are multiplying with minus 4 by 27. So minus into minus here becomes plus. 4 by 27 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4. X into x, x square. Y into y, y square. Z into z square is z cube. Okay, na? Just multiply the numericals. Multiplied 9 table in 27 3 times are cutting. So denominator 3, 2 table 4 2 times. So minus 2 by 3 is the remaining. Minus 2 by 3 x cube y square z square. Here also denominator 4 numerator 4 cancel. 3 table 1 time 9 times cancel. So 1 by 9. 1 by 9 x square y square z cube. Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 16. Right. So from the sum of x plus 3y and minus 2x plus 3y, sum of two binomials. What are the binomials? It is given that sum of. Okay, na? So from the sum of, what are the two binomials? So it is given that x plus 3y and x plus 3y and minus 2x plus 2y. Minus 2x plus 2y. That means these two algebraic expressions we need to add. Okay, sum of. Next, subtract x minus y. That means with this result, we need to subtract the x minus y. Then the result we have to get. So first addition, let us try to add. Now I am directly adding here plus x minus 2x. X minus 2x. Opposite symbol subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1x. So bigger number symbol negative. Now 3y plus 2y 5y. 3y plus 2y 5y. So from this answer we need to subtract x minus y. So x minus y I am going to write as subtract means second one symbol should be changed. Positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. So both are negative terms, add with negative. So minus 2x. Both are positive terms, add with positive. 5y plus y, 6y. So this is our required answer. 16th one. Now 17th question. Okay. The 17th question is given that the quotient when 2x power 4 minus 5x square plus 5x minus 2 is divided by x minus 1 is ax cube plus bx square minus cx plus d, then you need to find a plus b plus c plus d. So what is the given polynomial? 2x power 4. So very important question this is. 2x power 4 minus 5x square plus 5x minus 2 plus 5x minus 2 is divided by, this entire polynomial should be divided by x minus 1. Okay. Yeah, listen carefully. Now linear polynomial highest power x power 1, here highest x power 4. But while doing the division, let us check the dividend. Dividend x power 4. X power 4 after what term should come? X cube term should come. But x cube is not presenting here. Okay. Next, x cube after x square after x term, last constant term. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All should be there. But here 3 term is not there now. So if you do the division like this, you will get the mistake. Now what I am going to do, the same equation, 2x plus x power 4 I am writing as it is. But x cube is not there now. In the place of x cube, I can write 0x cube. But that means what happened to x cube? X cube becomes 0. That's why x cube term is not presenting. So I am representing with 0x cube. Now remaining x square minus 5x square plus 5x minus 2. Now do division, you will get answer. Okay, now first point. Here highest power 4, here highest power 1. 1 should become 4. Still how much we need? 3 we need. So x should be multiplied with x cube. Now x into x cube is x cube. But here 2 also there, no? 2x cube we should take. 2x cube into 2x cube into x, 2x power 4. 2x cube into 1. This one also we should multiply. Quotient means 2x cube into 1, 2x cube. This is minus 1, no? Minus 2x cube. So division is nothing but repeated subtraction. We need to change the symbols here. Now plus 2x power 4 becomes minus 2x power 4. Minus 2x cube becomes plus 2x cube. Then what is the result? 2x power 4, 2x power 4 same can be cancelled. Now 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 means 2 only. So 2x cube found. Remaining terms minus 5x square plus 5x minus 2. Remaining all terms try to bring down. Okay, na? Actually we should bring one by one terms. So I am bringing all the terms together at a time. Again, now here x, here highest power x cube. X should be become x cube means x into x square becomes x cube. So here 2 also there now, take 2 also plus 2x square. 2x square into x, 2x cube, and 2x square into minus 1 minus 2x square. Again change the symbols, minus and plus. Plus 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel, minus plus opposite symbol subtraction 5 minus 2 3x square, but bigger one symbol minus. Now remaining two terms plus 5x minus 2. Again here x square, so x into x becomes x square. Here minus 3 also there, no, so minus 3x we should take. Okay, minus 3x into x minus 3x square minus 3x into minus 1 plus 3x. Again change the symbols. Minus become plus, plus become minus, cancel. 5 minus 3, opposite symbol subtraction you should do. 5 minus 3, 2x. Last remaining term is 2. Now this is x term, this is also x term only, but here x term 2. So just take 2. 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 1 is 2. Again change the symbols, here minus, here plus. Both cancel, answer is 0. Now it is given already. After doing the division we are getting the result now. That result, that is means 2x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. This is in the form of ax cube. This is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, it seems. It will be in the form of like this. Then we need to find a value plus b value plus c value plus d value. Just compare what is a value here. A value is 2. A is equals to 2. B value is 2. C value minus 3. D value 2. Add all of them. So A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So sum of all its coefficients become 3. Let us move on to the next problem. Okay, 18th problem, children. Yeah, if A is equal to P x power A y power B, capital A is equals to P x power A y power B, and small b is equal to Q x power C y power D. Q x power C y power D. So A and B will be like that. Am I right? Yeah, where A is equals to 2B equals to, yeah, this is very important condition. A is equal to, small a is equals to 2B, that is equals to 3C, that is equals to 4D, and that is equals to 12. Then P is equal to 3Q is equals to 12, and also given here I'm writing P is equals to 3Q, that is equals to 12. Now we need to find that A divided by B value will be Ax power B y power C, and also given that A divided by B value is small a x power B y power C. So we need to find A plus B plus C value. Am I right? Yeah. This is very important question. Just look into it. First I am finding the values of small a, small b, small c, small d. All A, B, C, D values. Now I am equating any two terms. A is equals to 2. First term and last term I am equating. A is equal to 12. So I got A value is 12. Now second one and last one. So 2B equals to 12. B is equals to 2 multiply when you transpose divides 12 by 2. So B value 6. B value I found. A value, B value got. Again 3C is equals to 12. 3C equal to 12. C is equals to 12 by 3. C value 4. I found C value also. Last D value. 4D equals to 12. D is equals to 12 by 4. Then D value is 3. Yeah, I got A, B, C, D values. Now P value and Q value. P value is 12. So from this we can say that here P is equals to 12, and here 3Q is equals to 12, then Q is equals to 12 by 3, nothing but 4. Q value is 4. Okay. Now we need to find A by B value. Now A by B. A value P. P means 12. 12 into x to the power of A. A value 12 into y power B. Y power B. B value is 6 by B value. B means Q x power C y power D. Q value we got 4. 4 x power C value 4 and y power D value is 3. Now try to do the cancellation. 4 table 12 3 times cancel. X power 12 by x power 4. So 4 x we have to cancel, then x power 8 will be. Therefore the result will be 3 into x to the power of 8 and y power 6 by y power 3 is nothing but y power 3. Now A value 3, B value, just compare here, this we need to compare. A x power B y power C, so A value 3, B value 8, C value 3. So the A plus B plus C is equals to 3 plus 8 plus 3, so 6 plus 8, 14. We are getting the answer is 14. Okay, now this much process we need to do. Okay, anyways, let us move on to the next one. Problem number 19. Yeah, 19th question is given that if 8m square minus 6mn, 8m square minus 6mn, 8m square minus 6mn is divided by 2m, equals to 4m minus kn. That is equals to 4m minus kn. We need to find the value of k. Now try to divide. I am dividing separately. So 8m square by 2m minus 6mn by 2m. Okay, na? So m square cancel, 2 table 8 4 times. We got the result 4m minus m cancel, 2 table here 3 times 3m. Therefore compare here, k value is 3. Okay, na? So that's it for today, children. We have completed exercise 1 successfully. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye. We'll meet in next class.